Okay, so good afternoon, class. How are you today? Okay, I'm fine also. So let's have a silent prayer first. Amen. So, okay, kindly say present once your name is called. Manali, Gampong, very good. So, um, class, it's good to hear that there is no absent today because we will be tackled about our new topic. So, before we begin to our discussion, so kindly arrange your chair, clean your desk, pick up those any tiny pieces of trash that's around you, and lastly, please sit properly. Okay, so very good. So class, I want you to be reminded regarding to our classroom rules. So first is be on time. Second, please raise your right hand if you want to answer. And lastly, please don't talk to your seatmate while the teacher is talking or discussing. Did you understand? Okay, so class, did you answer your assignment? Okay, so if that's so, please pass it forward. Very good. So, class, what was our topic last meeting? I will be glad if someone can say it. Okay, thank you very much. So, you may now take your seat. So, um, our lesson last meeting is all about comparing different animals. So, do you have any clarification about that? So if not, we will be proceed to our new lesson which is related to our previous lesson. So before we start is let's have an activity or pre-test first. So here is the instruction. So based on the scrambled letters in the box, collect the words that is animals needed. So ang dapat niyong gawin is you have to bubuuin nyo yung mga naka-scrambled na letters to make it into a one word in which itong mabubuo yung word is dapat is kasali siya sa mga sa kailangan ng animal sa kanilang pamumuhay. Okay, so who wants to answer number 1? How about the number 2? Very good. How about the number 3? Very good. How about the number 4? Very good. So how about the number 5? Okay, so very good. So you are it seems like you are now familiar on what we were going to discuss today. So class, do you love animals? Okay, it's good to hear because we are now tackling about the needs of animals. So, before that, let me read our objectives of today. So, at the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify the needs of animals for survival, describe how to protect and take care of animals, describe how animals can be beneficial and harmful to the environment, and create a diorama of animals' habitat. So, okay, so first is let us discuss the food. So, food is animals need to live. Animals eat different kinds of food. They need food to have energy and to stay healthy. So, yes, it's a class. So, ang mga animals is the first that they need in their survival is the food. So, katulad din natin yung mga animal which is hindi tayo mabubuhay kung walang food supplement na makukuha ng ating katawan. So, in short, food is the very important for the animal survival. So, ang mga animals is kumakain sila ng iba't ibang pagkain katulad na lamang ng mga dahon, uh, vegetables and others in which these food can give them an energy and to stay healthy. Okay, so the next is water. So animals drink water. They are refreshed when they drink water. Animals need water for their bodies function well. So also ang mga animals is katulad din natin sila in which kailangan din nila ng water to in order for the function of their bodies, no? So hindi naman pwede na hindi umiinom ang mga animals kasi papaano madadigest yung mga kinakain kung walang tubig na sumusuporta sa katawan ng mga animals. So yung pamumuhay ng animals is uh, may pagkakatulad din sa atin ng mga tao in which hindi sila mabubuhay kung wala silang pagkain at kung hindi sila makakainom ng tubig. So next is air and sunlight. So goats and other animals do not live inside a house. They live in open spaces. They need sunlight and fresh air to grow and stay healthy. So aside from yung animal is nabubuhay, hindi sila mabubuhay ng walang pagkain at walang naiinom na tubig, is there are also some animals na hindi mabubuhay kung hindi makakalanghap ng sariwang hangin as well as yung sunlight, no? Like for example is yung goats. So yung goats is hindi sila mabubuhay inside the house in which they need the fresh air as well as the sunlight. And also, kailangan nabubuhay sila in a very spacey or open spaces area. So, next is the shelter. So, animals should have a place to live, and some animals, like dogs and cats, are raised as pets. They live with humans at home. Other domesticated animals, like horses and pigs, are taken care of on farm. Okay, so isa din sa kailangan ng animals is yung shelter or masisilungan. But there are some animals na nabubuhay sa loob ng bahay or nabubuhay sila katulad nating mga tao which is sa loob lang ng bahay. And also class, there are some animals na hindi mabubuhay sa loob ng bahay but they can live or taking care into a farm. So, like for example is yung mga dogs and cats. So, sino sa inyo ang mahilig sa pets? Or sino sa inyo ang may pets? Okay, so 'di ba kapag may 'di ba sa mga dog lovers or mga cat lovers is inaalagaan nila ang mga pets na 'yan katulad lang ng pag-aalaga nila or inaalagaan nila ang mga ito katulad sa pag-aalaga sa isang tao. And but sa mga animal lovers is like for example is mahilig ka sa horse is hindi mo yan siya pwedeng patirahin sa loob ng bahay nyo kasi yung horse is nabubuhay lamang yan into a farm which is kailangan niya ng fresh air as well as open spaces. And lastly is protecting oneself from harmful animals. So some animals are harmful and dangerous. They may attack and bite people when they are hurt or afraid. Animals' bites can make you sick, and in serious cases, you may even die if you are left untreated. So, okay, so before that is, di ba, do you think class na may benefits ang animals sa atin na mga tao? Okay, so sino makakapagbigay ng isang benefits na naitutulong ng animals? Or no, who can state what animals that gives benefits to us, no? So sino makakapagbigay sa inyo ng mga animals na nagbibigay benefits sa atin? Anyone? Okay, very good. So, next is, sino naman ang makakapagbigay ng ideas niya kung or how the animals gives benefits, no? Paano sila nakapagbigay ng benefits sa atin? Okay, so very good, no? So, lahat ng sagot nyo is tama. Okay, so since the animals gives benefits to us, so let us protect also oneself from harmful animals. So may mga animals din na mga dangerous and harmful. So um, the reason why these animals attack us and bite us is that when they are getting hurt and afraid. So, dahil din sa and also kapag yung animals na nangangagat is nakagat ka is you may sick and in a serious way is pwede mong ikamatay ang effect nito kung hindi ka ma-treated ahead of time, no? So, like for example is yung dogs. So, alam naman natin na yung mga aso is may rabies ang mga yan. So, kapag nakagat ka ng isang aso is pwede kang magkasakit kapag hindi ka na-injectionan ng anti-rabies. And also, in a serious way is pwede mong ikamatay ang epekto ng rabies ng isang dog. Another is mosquitoes. So, kapag naman nakagat ka ng mosquito is pwede kang magka-dengue and kapag hindi ito maagapan is pwede mong ikamatay ang dengue and also the flies, rats and cockroaches in which they also brings germs that will make your body sick and it will also make you die if you are left untreated. So, sa mga animal lovers is kailangan is kapag mag-aalaga kayo ng mga animals pets sa bahay nyo is kailangan nyo munang masigurado na ma-injectionan ito ng mga anti-rabies, no? Para na din sa inyong safety. So, class, did you understand? So, do you have any clarification? Okay, so if that's so let's have an enrichment activity. So, um, it is an individual activity. So, here is the instructions. You have to identify what animals can live with human and what animals can't live without sunlight and fresh air. So, you may now start answering. Okay, class, are you done?
So I think you did understand well what was our topic all about. So now let's proceed to our short quiz. So our short quiz is the number question that you have going to answer is give at least 5 dangerous animals. The second one is give at least 5 animals that carry germs. So you may now start answering. Okay, class, are you done? Okay, so pass your paper forward. Okay, thank you very much. So before we go home, so please write to your paper your assignment that will be passed by tomorrow. So your assignment is the instruction is, as a student, how would you show respect, love, and care for animals? I repeat, as a student, how would you show respect, love, and care for animals? Okay, are you done copying? Very good. So you may now go home. Goodbye, class. Okay, thank you for listening.